Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn free USDT today. Yes, hear me right, free USDT. On this channel I teach you guys how to make money, cryptocurrency, mining, everything, money. Okay, we talk how to make money online. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to earn free USDT by playing games and paid surveys. So whatever you play you get paid for. Also you can watch videos about the tutorial, so let's go through it. And yeah, I'll show you basically how it works. First, you're going to go to the Idle Empire, and you can do this with your phone, your computer, as long as you are connected to Wi-Fi, all right, or you have any internet connection. And the first thing, you have to register on Idle Empire. For registration needed, you can immediately sign up using other existing social media and start earning. As you can see, start earning points. Once you register your account, you can start earning points. Simply answer paid surveys, play games, watch videos, or test software. That's all you have to do and get paid for free USDT. Also, you get to redeem free USDT once you refer to a friend. After collecting enough of your points, you can redeem them and they'll be delivered within 24 hours. As you can see, this website has total of 3.4 million users, and it almost pays out 8.1 million to its people. Okay, and this is all it's about. So what we're going to do here is just to sign up and start earning. So you're going to click sign up. I'll leave the link of this website in the description, so if you want to check it out, just go and create your account. So first of all, we are going to put in your name. Okay, so I'll put my name, then sign in to make sure that you are not a robot. Then create an account. All right, an account. As you can see, you can decide to save your password for later use. And so guys, this is the ways, the offers, videos, referrals, promotion. Basically you get paid for everything that you do on this website. So first of all, let's start with the surveys. Okay, I'm going to show you all the steps and how you can do it. All right, so these are the surveys, and then decide to skip the survey if you feel it's okay, it's giving a little bit of headache. And here it shows how much you'll be earning every survey you complete. We are done with surveys. We are going to click complete the offers from trusted companies. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to see the top offers, and you can click on that, or you can decide to play a game. You can say whatever. All right, so these are all basically the games that you can decide to play from. Whatever gets you easy, that is what you're going to go. Now I'm going to pick this game. All right, and once it's done, all you have to do is just to follow the instruction. Okay, as you can see here. So once you are after clicking on that game, all you have to do is just to go with the instruction. As you can see, there is Durex block jewelry, and yeah, it says all the challenges. And first it says install, reach level 10, reach level 15, and basically each level that you get points. Okay, you'll be added like more points. So pretty much that's everything. Then these points are later be transferred into USDT. Yeah, and for the videos, you are going to watch videos, and once you watch videos, you are going to be earning points. Basically here this is how it works. It says create an account on hideout.tv and start watching the videos from below. You earn 9 hideout points for every 3 adverts, which 50 on Idle Empire. Redeem your points from hideout TV to Idle Empire. As you guys can see, isn't this easy? Then you earn your points and later exchange them into USDT. Moving on to referrals, this is very easy. You are just going to click on referrals and copy this link. Once you copy this link, you are going to refer it to your friends, your family. You can decide to paste it on your WhatsApp status, or whoever clicks in it, they are going to directly come here. And once they come here, you're going to be getting 20% points or from their points, and you'll be earning like 50 of every new referral. Users earning 500 when signing up through your referral. So how cool is that? How cool is that? You can also, there is promotions. So do Idle Empire special promotions. All right, here this goes to content creators. So once you create content for this for this idol empire, you get to earn some points. As you can see, it says you can follow them, you can watch their daily task, invite friends, and create content. Verify your email and 100 when you verify your email. Okay, so this is very cool. You basically get paid for everything that you do. So guys, this is how you're going to be earning free USDT. I'll leave the link to an idol. Yes, I'll leave the link to this website in the description, so make sure you check it out and yeah, sign up and make some money.